told me to go to
My hair, my clothes, etc. Zach really said that's not me thinking I should be her friend because she's really funny. Many times she tried to make me jealous with comments like, you know that I used to take baths with Zach when we were little kids? And she would get upset when I just said alright at those random comments because TF. Why should I be jealous of that? She sits on Zach's lap. He doesn't say anything to her about that even if he knows I don't like it. He cuddles with her every time they have the chance. They whisper to each other and go out together sometimes, and I obviously can't help but think that in any moment I will come back to the apartment and she will be wearing one of his shirts, and I don't want to deal with that TBH. The worst thing is that Zach really seems to like seeing me jealous. When I tell him something is bothering me, he laughs saying aw you're jelly and stuff like that without taking me seriously. It's pretty annoying to know that he likes me to feel that way, and Mia has been really irritable lately as if she's competing with me. It feels like they're trying to make a novella with me.